Are you tired of grinding away for hours on end just to make a few bucks online? What if I told you there's a way to make money with just a few clicks using the revolutionary AI tool ChatGPT? Join us in this thrilling video as we uncover the secrets to using ChatGPT to generate income effortlessly. With its cutting-edge technology, you can save heaps of time and money and focus on what you do best, making money online. From writing and translation to email marketing and social media management, ChatGPT has you covered on all ends. ChatGPT has you covered in more ways than you can imagine. So buckle up and let's dive into the enchanted world of ChatGPT and unlock its true potential. Are you always on the lookout for new opportunities to boost your income? Then you must have heard about the talk of the town ChatGPT, the revolutionary AI tool that effortlessly generates responses tailored to the conversation's flow. With ChatGPT, you can save heaps of time and money, and that's not all. You can also make money online using this cutting-edge technology. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of using ChatGPT to your advantage, making money online by merely copying and pasting text. So let's get started on this exciting journey towards financial freedom. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content like this. Come and let's venture into the captivating world of ChatGPT and unlock its enchanting abilities. ChatGPT, the abbreviated form of Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a wondrous AI chatbot that conjures up innovative text responses based on innovative prompts. Imagine typing in "how can I bake the perfect pizza at home" and receiving a comprehensive answer in the blink of an eye. That's the sheer wizardry of ChatGPT. Now let's embark on an exhilarating journey to discover the thrilling possibility of using ChatGPT to generate income online. If you're familiar with freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and People Per Hour, you're well aware that people offer diverse services on these platforms. However, with the revolutionary approach that I'm about to unveil, you needn't toil as a freelancer to rake in cash on the internet. Step 1. The first step to making a lucrative business out of ChatGPT is to explore the enchanting realm of Fiverr. Head on over to the writing and translation category and browse through the diverse services on offer. Familiarize yourself with the current trends and requirements in the industry. Step 2. Once you've familiarized yourself with the offerings on Fiverr, choose a service that you would like to offer using ChatGPT. For instance, you might decide to provide article and blog post writing services. Step 3. In order to stand out from the crowd and avoid cutthroat competition, it's crucial to narrow down your service offering. Rather than creating a gig that offers blog posts to anyone and everyone, focus on a specific niche. For example, you can create a gig that offers blog posts for weddings, fitness, or any other niche that you're passionate about. By doing so, you'll attract clients who are looking for specific expertise and insights in that particular area. Step 4. Once an order comes in, it's time to let ChatGPT work its magic. Enter the topic or keywords provided by the client and let the AI technology generate the article on your behalf. ChatGPT uses natural language processing and machine learning to create unique and engaging content that's tailored to the specific needs of the client. As a result, you'll be able to provide high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take to write from scratch. By following these 4 simple steps, you can turn ChatGPT into a highly profitable business venture. With its ability to generate unique and engaging content quickly and efficiently, ChatGPT is a game changer for anyone looking to make money in the writing and translation industry. And just like that, you now have an entirely written article for which you will get paid without doing any research or writing a single letter by yourself. This process isn't only for writing blog posts. You can use ChatGPT to provide various services such as email marketing, copywriting, social media management, and more. All you need to do is be creative and figure out how to use it to your advantage. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an amazing AI technology that has the potential to make you thousands of dollars quickly. By using this technology, you can offer services without doing anything on your own, which means you can make money online with just a few clicks. If you want me to share more methods of making money using ChatGPT, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content like this. See you in the next one.